When you use Wise service for a transfer to Sri Lanka, the process is designed to be transparent, cost-effective, and user-friendly. Unlike traditional banks, Wise converts your money at the real mid-market exchange rate, without inflated markups. This ensures that your recipient in Sri Lanka gets more value from every rupee received. One of the first benefits is clarity in fees. Before you send, Wise shows the exact transfer cost, the exchange rate applied, and the precise amount your recipient will receive. Second, Wise allows multi-currency wallet usage. You can hold funds in USD, EUR, GBP, and convert them into LKR instantly. Third, the service supports direct bank deposits into most major Sri Lankan banks like Bank of Ceylon, Commercial Bank, and Sampath Bank, reducing delays compared to other remittance channels. Fourth, with Wise, transfers are trackable end-to-end using a link generated with each transaction. Fifth, Wise uses Sri Lanka's domestic payment network integration, which reduces dependency on correspondent banks and accelerates fund delivery. Sixth, Wise supports recurring transfers, helpful for family support or business payments where monthly schedules are needed. Seventh, if you fund using a debit card, delivery is faster compared to manual bank funding. Eighth, for higher amounts, Wise applies two-step security verification, ensuring compliance with both UK regulations and Sri Lankan foreign exchange guidelines. Ninth, the app shows a currency rate alert system, so you can set notifications to transfer when the LKR is stronger. 10th, Wise has 24/7 support access through wise.com/help and regional assistance for South Asia, which is not commonly available with regular banks. Relevant websites like wise.com and cbsl.gov.lk provide updated currency and regulatory insights for safe transactions. Overall, Wise ensures transparency, speed and safety for anyone sending funds from abroad to Sri Lanka.